morning class. I am Rashmi Tiwari, your GK teacher, class 6, subject GK, lesson 35, page number 54. Chapter name is Indian English. Before starting the chapter, we are going to learn few hard words which is related from the chapter and it will help you. For example, first word is a dialect. Dialect means a form of language that is spoken in one area of a country. Next word is a variation. Variation means change. Next word, occupational. Occupational means connected with our work. Now next word is a blend. Blend means to mix. Next word is influence. Influence means the power to affect change. Now these were few hard words that you have to learn and it will help you in your chapter to understand. Now this is your chapter. Chapter name is Indian English. Now we are going to start this chapter. So before that I want to say one thing that you have, it will be better if you are going to open chapter 35. Chapter name is Indian English. Indian English is a language which is spoken and used in the Indian subcontinent with lots of variation. Such variation have come up due to the different dialect spoken in India. One can easily identify a person by the dialect he or she uses. These dialects are influenced by the different languages that people from different sections of the country also speak side by side with English. Okay, so as we know that Indian English is a language which is spoken and used in the Indian subcontinent. It means we are using English which is different. We are using that English with a variation. Variation means a change. With the change we are using English language. In which area? In Indian subcontinent area. Such variation have come up due to the different dialect. Why this difference is came? Because what is a dialect? A form of a language that is spoken in one area of a country. Okay? That is why in India we are using different area, in different dialect we are using. That is why we can see the variation in English also. One can easily identify a person by the dialect he or she is uses. Okay? You can easily identify which dialect we are using. Acha, his person is related from a particular area. These dialects are influenced by the different language because we are using different language. Okay? So that is why we can see these changes in English also while speaking. So in this chapter you can see different type of dialect. So for example, cultivated Indian English, Babu English, Butler English, Hinglish and Bengali English. So in this chapter read the description given below and identify the different dialect of English. So in this page you can see here you can see number 1. This name originally comes from the Bengali word for a gentleman. It is a dialect of English that first developed as an occupational dialect amongst clerks in the Bengali speaking area of pre-partition India. So that type of English dialect is a Babu English. Now second one you can see, this is a second one, and here you can see it is also known as Barrack English or Kitchen English. It is a dialect of English that first developed as an occupational dialect in the years of the Madras Presidency, but it has developed over time and is now associated mainly with social class rather than occupation. It is still spoken in major metropolitan cities and it is called a Butler English. Now you can see number 3. This type of English that you have to see the description and name is English. The dialect of English is a combination of the words Hindi and English. Means it is a mixture of Hindi and English, that's why its name is English. It is a hybrid of English and South Asian languages. It is a variety of these languages which are freely interchanged within a sentence or between sentences. While its name is based on the Hindi language, but it does not refer exclusively to Hindi. However, it is used in India with English words blending with Punjabi and Hindi, and this type of dialect is a English that we are using nowadays very oftenly. Now, number 4 is a Bengali English. It is also known as Eastern India English. Influence of West Bengal and neighboring country Bangladesh can be easily seen over it. Its main subdivisions are Calcutta English as well as Dhaka English, and name is Bengali English. Now, at the end of the chapter number 5, it refers collectively to non-localized, non-working class and more recent varieties of Indian English, popular in India and its surrounding regions. It is youthful variety of English which began in the 2000s. So that name is cultivated Indian English. So these were a chapter in this also description was given and you need to identify the different dialect of English. So I want to tell you that you have to revise this chapter 2-3 times. Second thing, you have to write down that dialect also in your book. So now this chapter is over. Now you have to now you can see this chapter is over, and now you have to write down homework, learn chapter 35. Thank you.